Welcome, guys. Thanks for being here. Another day, another day. Today is the Fed day, so we have a interest rate. The interest rate. So let's see. Let me read the chat. So Neno is here. Boris is here. Welcome, my friend. FNIce is here. Welcome. Lewis is here. Congratulations for the Tokyo again. Perfect. Thanks, my friend Lewis. Tokyo session for Abrar was good. User up 7. Tokyo was amazing. Which- Perfect. Yeah, it was a full take profit. It was beautiful. I did more than 270 pips. So that was a great trade. It was a beautiful trade. Well, give me. If we start recovering for $700, so that's great. It's nice to see the. It's nice to see again the account in positive. That's great. Happy to see you. Tokyo was great, perfect. Yes, Tokyo was a full take profit, beautiful. By my side, it was for around 300 pips, so that was good for the rest of the people probably if they follow the instructions. Around 270 pips in positive. So great, that was beautiful. AW was successful. Yes, was pretty good. It's something what I told you yesterday, guys. If I lose the position, if I lose the position, um, and then going, I'm not going to be on today. So thanks God. I I win the I won the trading to the Tokyo session. Well, for that reason, we're here. So, well, let me clarify here the 2 points. We got a beautiful pin bar reaction here, but that is not enough for try to open the long position. We need to okay, at least this is the point here. Let's see what happens if the price touch the 45.05. That could be an option. There was a pin bar reaction into the buy zone. But well, I prefer to the price just go back to the 45.40. Open the short. So let's see. Let's see. It's pure patience. Just waiting. So well, the price is trying to go up. Let's see if let me think. Let me see something. The 32. Well, here's 32. Now the positions looks like this. Ok, aquí son 1173, 23. Okay, the price is going up to our sales zone. So that's great. Let's see. And well, guys, remember if you want to get a prop firm, just go into the promfirmmatch.com. There you will see all the most trustable options into the market. So there, it's many prop firms, and the good thing there is all the prop firms listed there. All of them will have um, many many options, instant funding, um, phase one, phase two, phase three. And if you pass the challenge or just follow the rules for the instant funding, you will receive your money with no problems, your payouts. That's the most important thing. So just read before apply any challenge. If you have a good experience with a prop firms, go there, create an account, and make a review, an honest review. If you don't have a really bad experience with a prop firms, just go there to um did do an honest review about your experience. It doesn't matter what you're going to say. It's going to help many people with your review, guys. So just go there and click into the link. The link is into the chat and the link is into the description. Good. So, well, beautiful. Okay, good. So, well, the loan position, well, the loan position was good. Give us a good reaction. Let's see what we have. Let's see what we have here. Today is risky. Yes, today we have the Fed. So the interest rate will define something to something today. So we will see. Yes, I use XELLION. If you want to work as me with XELLION, just go there and click into the link. I'm gonna stay with the same budget for 5,000. Well, I don't see no one taking advantage of that budget. So well, probably I will talk with Salium to give that money in a different way. But let's see. This moment, no rush to this. This is the minor of my problems. This moment. So well, the account is in plus $708. Let's see if I can do something good for today. And remember something important: selling is faster payouts by USDT. Okay, if you are for United States, Europe, Central, South America, you don't use USDT, this is not your broker, guys. But if you are for India, Asia, Pakistan, Mexico, you can use the USDT and the other ways to pay to receive the money as a payout. Okay. Hmm. Testing the point. I'm still waiting. Remember, I'm waiting. We wait the confirmation here, guys. 1 month for May 2000. Lose everything yesterday. Uh, well, that thing happens. That thing happens. And well, the last 2 weeks. Well, last week I started with around $4,000. Then the last Friday I did some really bad decisions to open three entries for 0.35. Well, that is the result. I go back to the 900 to 9,200 dollars yesterday, Monday. Well, now I recover a little of that money. The account passed to the 9,200 dollars to $10,700 in 2 days. So some recover. You can lose faster than recover. Recover is it's pure. It's a process. It's a process. Probably it would take many days. Pero well, it's a process. La cuenta ayer estaba en 9,200. Un par de trades se recupera 10,700. Igual la semana pasada fueron 5 stops, entonces bajó bastante. El viernes pasado igual, de la misma eh, ansiedad, digamos. 23 entradas de mismo lotaje, 0.35 y bueno, la cuenta bajó a 9.2. Bajó un poquito más el lunes por la pérdida del stop loss. Recuperé en Tokio un poco a 10,100 por ahí. Ayer igual se perdió, entonces la cuenta nuevamente pasó a 9,200 en negativo. Y bueno, con el trade de Tokyo Session, que fue un full take profit, se recuperó a 10,700. Bueno, tengo que recuperar mucho más, pero bueno, al menos está en positivo. By my side, I always try to stay around 12-15% of the at the end of the month with the accounts. But well, with this month, I'm ending with this with this account for 700. Mm. April, yeah, April was pretty good. The first 2 weeks was beautiful, and then the last 2 weeks, well, the first week was like many trades. We closed many trades into the point of entry, and then the last positions. Last week was awful. This week, normal week, two stop loss, two really good trades into the Tokyo session. So, so well, let's see. Here, guys, remember I'm waiting the pin bar reactions on a pin bar reaction. If the price ends near to 45.30, we can think something, or just if the price go back to this 45 could be an option too. So let's see. It's part of the process. Wait. Now it's not the best option, you know. ¿Y qué tratado utilizas en tu cuenta de 10,000? 0.35. Si la cuenta se va arriba, por ahí, 0.35, más si hay que hacer una entrada ahí como para cubrir un poco, se uso 0.3 o 0.02 en los reentries dentro del drawdown. Al final, el trade queda como en un 0.40. Por trade son de 500 a 550 dólares en stop loss. Edwin Palacios. Buscando siempre alrededor de los 800,000 dólares en TP. Like I said, sell. Reaction good, thanks. Okay. I'm not selling at this point. I'm just waiting the confirmation, guys. Discord. Let's use Discord. Disappear. Yeah. Okay, so the price give us some little reaction there, not that much. I'm going to wait at least if the price touches the 45, 42, we can try something, but not now because the reaction of the buyers was pretty good, but looks weak at this point. Okay, so let's try to understand that and let's wait around those points 45, 40. Okay, let's see. I really want to see the price go back to the 45, 45, then give us a pin bar reaction, well, a shooting star reaction, and then we can try the sell position with no problems. So let's wait and let's see what happens. Your patience. So well, going there. Again, I prefer just touch the 45, 45, and then give us a pin bar reaction. Guys, remember if you want to be part of the community, just contact back here. It's just one payment for the rest of your life, $195. And the only way to get the information there is just um by the link of WhatsApp. Ana, ¿todo bien? Días difíciles, pero bueno, aquí seguimos como siempre. Or yes, the 45, 50, 54. It's the other, the second son. Just we need to clarify what is the best option according your according the price action. So let's see. Just waiting. 45, 41. The price continue with the uptrend really hard. Recuerden que estamos esperando. ¿Qué estamos esperando? Que al menos se vea como un shooting star o que nos dé alguna señal de reversión. A este punto simplemente está subiendo y ya. No hay más que decir. Ujú, ujú. So about 3 minutes on the price, trying to reject the price. Let's see. So well, the price still there. Not the best reaction. So now, what is the next step? We need to break this point at least. The let's see, yellow line. If we want to open the sell, the next candle is a must to break the yellow line. If it continue as in an uptrend position, that means we will change the price. Okay. So well, 9 minutes. Still give us some reaction. But well, 9 minutes waiting the waiting, guys. We are waiting. Okay, that's the okay. So 45:34, 7 minutes. The price trying to stay there. Karate is here. That's great. Um, don't be happy. This can be a trap. Everything can be a trap. Are we waiting to sell? Yes, I'm waiting to sell. To continue with the trend. Now it's falling so hard. Just we need to stay around 43.50. No, it's 40, 43.35. That's all. So, well, for that reason, we are not into the sell position now, just waiting. And probably the sell zone will change to the long position. So let's see. Do. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 1 minute. Well, we will update the sell zone near to the 45.54 here. 30. 'Kay. So well, now the Suns looks like this. So well, let's see what happened. Again, take the all stop loss, my friend. Again, I didn't tell you like I told you like we are waiting for the reaction. You know, well, it's part of the trades. I'm waiting. Even if we wait and open the trade, it's difficult. To understand when we can apply for that. Just let's try to be patient and wait the order. No reason to take positions without confirmation, guys. That's the simple point. So just waiting. Well, the 54. Yeah. Right. Just waiting, guys. So well, again, going back to our point, that was a beautiful long position. The unfortunately the confirmation what they give us there in 45:10 was so quick, and then looks like it's a little weak. But as you can see, it was beautiful. The reaction there. That would be good. Nothing weird is happening. Just is the previous market to the Fed. So well, this is the uh, this is the reality what we have. So a beautiful reaction into the sun. 5 minutes to confirm. See if we can continue like this. Just smart is here. Welcome, my friend. Favorite asset, my friend. If you are using my link, you don't need the code. But if you try to deposit less than $500, it will give you an error. Okay. So yes, if you use my link, you don't need the code. Well, if you already have an account and want to apply for that, using the code less than $500, it will be give you an error. The smart Tokyo session was massive, but I missed it. Unfortunately, my friend. Great trade. That was beautiful. Was a beautiful trade. Yes. Here is the same. It's a beautiful position. Let's expect the price ends near to 45.40 at least. Mm. But yes, the trading Tokyo session, the Tokyo session was a beautiful, beautiful. Um, So, well, 1 minute, and it give us a beautiful reaction, beautiful confirmation there. That was great. So let me clean this. Now we need to wait the retracement. That's all. Now we need the retracement. And that's all for open the trade. Mm. 45, 45 could be a point, could be a good point. Let's see if we can get that retracement. I already explained that just more because Nasdaq is into the all-time high. Well, yesterday was into the all-time high. Now looks with some structure finally. So probably next week we will. Well, tomorrow we can try the NAS trade. Today I will try. I will continue with gold. But yes, NAS for yesterday was testing the all-time high. It did yesterday. It did the all-time high, and that was the reason. Okay, the price is going there. $45, 43. Let's see him if looks like an strong point because there is a point of reaction. Mm. 's trying to stay there. So looks like a little consolidation around 45, 42. 45, 42. Let's see if we can test the 45, 43. Finally, it's trying to go there. So let's try the position there. Looks like a good consolidation. Mm. 45, 42. There's the point. 45, 59. Mm. 45, 43. That's 38. Mm. Stop loss. 45, 59. 45, 30. And 15, 52. Working into the TPS. 25. Mhm. 'Good. Okay. Let's see the reactions there. Mhm, mhm, mhm. 45, 30. That's 50. 45, 26. Este es en 45, 30. 50. Ajá. Después el TP2. 35, 26. Ajá. Y el TP3 es 45, 21. Ujú. 3. Ok. Pues se ve. Me gusta. Sí. Está aceptable. Mm. So the position it's open. Let's see the reaction. There's the TPS. There's the stop loss. Mhm. Let's see if we have something good for the last two candles. That's the idea. Even if you get a better point than me, Just try to use the same stop loss. That's the idea. Trying to stay there near to the point of entry. That's it. Now we need to break the first step. It's 45.37, and of course, don't continue open. Others point of reaction near to 45.50. Of course, I don't want to see that points. Well, let's see. Price trying to stay there into the point of entry. And we have 2 hours and 10 minutes for this trade. Why 2 hours and 10 minutes? Because the funk is coming in 2 hours and 10 minutes. Mm. So let's see. Pure patience. Pure patience. Mhm. Now I was trying to go there. Break the point. Well, the first point. Let me. What is the cam box? First point of reaction is for buyers is this here that 05. Let's see if they can do something or if the sellers can break it with no problems. That's the idea. The sellers is a must to break that point. Let's see. 1 hour is still with this consolidation in 1 minute. Trying to go up again to our point of entry. Testing the 45, 44. Mm. And going up so hard in one candle to 45.50. Nah, come on. $45.50. Okay, so 85 pips in 2 minutes. Let's see if we can get some reaction there, but now again it's looking really, really bad. Let's see. 7 minutes to clarify. We need something good in the next point. This is our last point of reaction. The last point of reaction is near to the 45.55. 45.55, yes. So let's see if we can do some. We can see something there. It's just getting some orders or something like that. The best. Trying to wake up the sellers, but it's not enough. This is the last 6 candles, 7 candles. Trying to recover the point around 45, 46. Mm. But we need the last five candles give us a really good reaction. Not this one, like really just two candles and doing nothing. Well, the price touched the 0.5 and then go up so hard, 85 pips in 2 minutes. Now, let's see if we can get something here. And of course, I don't want to see the 45, 55, but that now looks pretty strong. Yes, seeing the 45, 55. 45, 55, 45, 56. Really nice candles for buyers, to be honest. Really nice reaction. Recovering many points. Mm. Well, I don't think we. If this continue like this in the next two candles, just we will hit this stop. Trying to continue, but nothing happened. Just staying there. Really, really strong. So this is the last 2 minutes. And it's important in the last two, give us something. But it didn't look like buyers give us something, guys. So just be clear, 45, 59, the insower stop. So well, the stop is there. Less than 10 minutes we stay there in, well, it touched the 45.59. So well, third stop in the road for New York session. Again. So well, not too much to do. The stop is there. So well, I will try to recover this into the Tokyo session, get a better entry, get a better structure. So well, we try to use the session. Nothing good happened, and well, the stop is there, guys. Stop hit. Let's see what we have tomorrow. If I lose the position in Tokyo session, I'm not going to come back tomorrow for the New York session. If I win the trade into the Tokyo session, I will come back for see what happened again with these market conditions to the New York session, guys. Sorry for the ones who trust in the entry. Well, I'll lose it again. I really want to get something good, but well, guys, this is the reality to be to present your results in front of some people. This is what we have. Sometimes we can win, sometimes we can lose. In Tokyo session, that would be a great session, but in New York session, it's still really bad. Um, can't do nothing. Just following the same strategy. It gives us the shooting star here. I wait the retracement. I wait the retracement around the point. Then the price stay there, but 150 pips. It did in less than 8 minutes. So well, that is a trade for today, not a re-entry with this type of really bad luck and really bad decisions. I'm not going to do any re-entry, guys. So no reason to go there, open another trade, because no sense. You know. So well, price go up. Probably it will continue to the next sell zone near to this 40 45.70. So don't hold positions. Don't hold positions in negative, please. Be clear of that because the price probably will touch the 45.70. I said the results, the ones who trust in my work. I know some people still trust me. So I will try to recover this into the Tokyo session. Well, Tokyo session in around 10 hours. So I'll be back into the 10 hours for the Tokyo session, just for the people into the Telegram. Um, just for the people into the Telegram and the people into the Discord, guys. So, well, I'm back. Yes, 7 stops in a row. Well, that was painful. That was painful. Yesterday I recovered 7,000. Today I lose another 6,000. Well, you sir, you up 7, so don't take the positions. Don't take the positions. If you don't like it, don't take the positions in Tokyo too. I appreciate that. If you don't take the positions into the Tokyo session and just get out of the channel, I appreciate that. Sellers back, yes, but the price touched this stop, so nothing to do. If you continue with the trade, guys, try to don't hold positions in negative that much, guys. Don't hold positions in negative that much, please, 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 please. If you have the opportunity to close it, just close it. If you are in profit for because you take the position there, close it. Probably it want to test the 45, 40 or something like that. Um, well, let's see. There are good sessions with a New York session, and of course, some people is I receive some messages like, "Oh, it's because you want to just good trades for the people who pay and everything." And no, it's the same. In Tokyo session, I have the opportunity to lose the position. And well, that it depends. It depends. So well, I'm not going to come here just for present the bad results, and that's not a smart strategy. Present the bad results and then pretend the people wants to recover in Tokyo session and everyone wants to be with us in Tokyo session. No, it's totally that's not the that's not my plan for sure. My idea never is come here and lose. But well, it's trading, and the strategy works sometimes. The other times it didn't work. So what? Point of entry again, as you can see, the price touched the stop, and then I will go back. That thing happens. So well, guys, this is the trade for today. The ones who are still into the Telegram, the ones who are still into the Discord, I will try to recover the position into the Tokyo session, same as yesterday and the last 2 days. In Tokyo sessions, we got 230 pips in positive, and yesterday, full take profit for 270 pips in positive. So, well, let's see. Exactamente, el Fonais. Bueno, no sé si el Fonais es Pausi. Por 3 días en stop loss, sí, es 3 días en stop. La verdad, el pago sí, es pago sí. Soy consciente y les doy la información directamente a la gente de Telegram y Discord. Ellos saben que tienen que reducir el riesgo, ellos saben que tienen que reducir toda la información, los demás, la verdad, ahí toman sus decisiones. Así que, si toman las decisiones, acepten el riesgo, ¿verdad? Pero sí, la gente de Telegram y Discord sabe que en tiempos así tienen que reducir el riesgo, lo reducimos y es parte de, a los que no les gusta, o a los que piensan que la responsabilidad tiene que ser mía siempre y tengo que ganar. Como les dije ayer, eh, hace una semana era uno de los mejores traders en YouTube, ahora soy uno de los peores, ¿verdad? Y la verdad es que la gente va y viene. Entonces, los únicos que se quedan son los que realmente están en mi comunidad, en Discord, en Telegram y demás. Los demás pueden hacer lo que gusten, con ellos o sin ellos, el proyecto sigue. Así que suena un poco egoísta, pero es la realidad y es la realidad que ha pasado en estos 2 años. No es la primera vez que pasamos una mala racha y como dijeron por ahí, no, las primeros bueno, creo que fue el lunes, los primeros en abandonar el barco son las ratas, ¿verdad? Y la gente que realmente de ahí no entiende mucho de eso. Así que es parte de. So let's see, guys. This is the. Unfortunately, we got a beautiful reaction here when we touch the stop loss, and it happens. And it happens. I don't go. I'm not going to give away program. No, I don't because it's no sense. In the past, I give some giveaways and everything, but the people don't appreciate that. So it doesn't matter what I do, and I'm not mad. I'm not mad. If you think I'm bad, this is not your channel too. Next direction. And probably it will come back a little more and then stay there in a consolidation, just waiting the Fed. You know, it depends. It depends for the next hours. Remember, the Fed is today. So, well, guys, that's all. So back in Tokyo session for trying to recover this position in Tokyo. Let's see what happened. Let's see. Okay, see you soon. Thanks for the support. Thanks for understanding this is trading. Thanks for the bad comments. Thanks for the good comments. Everything is welcome. Well, remember, if you want to be a funded trader, just contact back to the prepformatch.com. There you will see a really good options, a really good discounts according to your necessities for this. Okay, for for your money, for sure, for the type of wallet what you have. Okay. I appreciate losing your money because of you. Of course, this was the last time we trusted you. Perfect. Don't trust many American. Get out of the channel. Here we go. Spanish time. Exactly. Devon Lewis. What the hell? Devon always is crazy. He always thinks like all the people is blocking into the channel and always giving crazy comments. But I like it. I like it. It's like he's fighting just with himself. Trade is rigged. Three is risk. Yeah, the trade it's over, guys. The trade it's over. Okay. So I'll be clear of that. I'm going to go now. So any problem, whatever you need, just contact me by WhatsApp. If you want to be part of the community, more than welcome. See you soon, guys. See you. If I lose the position in Tokyo session tomorrow, no streaming. If I win the position, I'll be back for New York session, guys. Just be clear of that. Hopefully back tomorrow. If not, is that means I lose the position in Tokyo session. So see you soon, guys, and thanks for your support, and thanks for the good comments, and thanks for the bad comments too.